How to mark Facebook Marketplace listing sold. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that. So to do that you must follow the following steps right here. So watch this video till the very end. So the very first step is to tap on the top right of the Facebook where you see the three vertical dots right there. After you do that you need to tap on the marketplace option. Tap on the dot option. Now tap to the right of recent activity. You will see your all the listings. Now tap on your listings and now tap on the listing that you want to market sold. Make sure that the item that you want to market sold is already completed and sold. So tap on it and now tap mark as sold from the list. And now it is done. It's pretty simple if you have a Facebook marketplace on your Facebook to mark it as a sold on your Facebook. So that's how you can do it very simply. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.